So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to wipe out an area in AutoCAD. That means, let's say for explain that, let's say you have this multiple drawing, you just copy it multiple CO. If you don't know that command, then check it out on my channel. So let's say you have made three options of this, okay, and you want to just focus right now at this one option right over here, okay, and you don't want to focus on these two options. But if are you an um if you have an OCD just like me and you want your drawing board clear, then what you have to do is just you have to type the command wipe out right over here and specify how many ever points that you want, and that much area, specify that and just press enter, and that much area will be wiped out of your view zone, but the drawing is still there. So whenever you want to see, you can just move it, or else you can just delete it and make it again. Just type wipe out. If you just type WIP also, WIP is the shortcut for wipeout, and it will just appear. So now you can peacefully uh, focus on your drawing that you want to really focus on. So that was it for the video. In this video we learned about the command of wipe out. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. I always do is that I keep this thing of, you can just read it right over there. If my voice is not clear, then just I'll write the command wipe out. OUT. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. And thank you for watching.